Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Expel Turf Herbicide is a water-soluble liquid, pre- and post-emergent herbicide with sulfentrazone as its active ingredient. Sulfentrazone inhibits an enzyme required by plants to produce chlorophyll, resulting in the plant's death. This product is used to control labeled broadleaf weeds, grassy weeds, and sedges on warm and cool season turf. Expel Turf Herbicide is selective, so it will kill targeted weeds without harming the turf. This product is great to use for larger areas like athletic fields or golf courses, as well as over multiple residential lawns or other commercial spaces. Due to Expel's high concentration of its active ingredient and the label's high-volume broadcast applications, spot applications and small-scale broadcast treatments may not be the most economical use of this product. If you're looking to treat weeds with lower amounts of water, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Fahrenheit Herbicide is a selective post-emergent herbicide used to treat a variety of broadleaf and grassy weeds on warm season turf grasses. Like Expel, it's labeled to treat acreages of treatment area, but you can also use it to spot treat weeds over 1,000 square feet of treatment area, making it great for residential areas that may see spotty weed growth. To use Expel as a post-emergent herbicide, you'll apply the product at the labeled rate depending on the turf type. For cool season grasses, including but not limited to fescue, ryegrass, and bluegrass, you can broadcast 4 to 8 fluid ounces of product over 1 acre. For warm season grasses, including but not limited to Bahia grass, Bermuda grass, St. Augustine grass, and zoysia grass, you can broadcast 8 to 12 fluid ounces of product over 1 acre. Keep in mind that some warm season grasses may experience temporary leaf surface discoloration. The maximum single application rate is 12 fluid ounces per acre. The maximum annual rate is 12 fluid ounces per acre per year. One 32-ounce bottle of Expel Turf Herbicide is enough to treat up to 4 acres. Before application, determine how much product you'll need to use by measuring the treatment area's square footage. For large applications, you can apply Expel Turf Herbicide with a backpack sprayer or a spray rig. For smaller applications, we recommend you use either a handheld pump sprayer or a hose end sprayer. Proceed to mix the product in your sprayer of choice. With most sprayers, you'll add half the required amount of water, then you'll add all your measured amount of product. Add the remaining half of the water you plan to apply, then agitate the solution to ensure even dispersion of the product. Please note, the use of surfactants is not recommended with Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel Turf Herbicide can be used in a variety of applications. It's primarily used as a post-emergent herbicide to kill a variety of broadleaf weeds, grassy weeds, and sedges, but it can also be applied for pre-emergent control as well. Additionally, while this product's primary function is to control weeds and turf, it can also be used to maintain bare ground in non-crop sites, and it's also labeled for selective weed control in container-grown and field-grown ornamentals. Please refer to the label for a full list of tolerant ornamental species. When broadcasting your solution over turf, spray with medium to coarse or larger droplets, and be sure to spray on a calm day to avoid wind drift. Spray weeds to the point of wet, making sure to coat the leaves. When spraying to control weeds and ornamentals, apply as a directed spray towards the base of the plant. To reduce possible injury, avoid application to the foliage whenever possible. You may apply irrigation to wash the product off the foliage if needed. When applied according to the labeled directions, Expel Turf Herbicide will begin working immediately, and you should notice visible results in affected weeds within 24 hours. Labeled tolerant turf grasses will be unaffected. To gain complete control of targeted weeds, follow-up applications may be necessary. Wait at least 35 days in between applications. Shop for Expel Turf Herbicide on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.